Welcome back to Automotive channel.
The Ford Edge has dependably been somewhat of a loner. Able, competent, and a fair dealer, 142,603 units in 2017, it basically has neglected to produce much crude energy. Passage attempted to change that recognition when it thudded a variant of its feisty 315-horse EcoBoost 2.7-liter V6 in the engine of the second-gen Edge Sport. We valued the extra push, yet never did we consider the Edge a contender for the automaker's full ST treatment. Of course, who could have anticipated a show about sweat-soaked folks making blades would be a hit? It's enticing to reject the 2019 Ford Edge ST, which replaces the Sport display in the lineup, as a vulgar endeavor to attribute some well-deserved ST believability to a generally non-military personnel show. Passage has guaranteed us that the Edge ST was, truth be told, created with the Ford Performance Group, which the rundown of overhauls appears to affirm. Commencing the makeover is the establishment of a 335 HP rendition of the twin-turbo 2.7-liter V6, still with EcoBoost marking. With 380 lb-ft of torque, it outguns the active 2.7 by 20 pull and 30 lb-ft. In like manner, a standard 8-speed programmed transmission replaces the 6-speed programmed in the active Edge Sport. Both should help move the new Edge ST to 60 miles per hour speedier than the 5.6 seconds we've recorded in the Edge Sport. All-wheel drive is standard, and a ST-tuned suspension is fitted for more keen reactions and enhanced taking care of, Ford said. Notwithstanding the equipment swaps, the Edge ST highlights a particular sport mode that fixes throttle reaction and adjusts move programming, including the capacity to perform rev-coordinated downshifts and hold adapts close to the motor's redline. Chosen by discouraging the middle catch of the new comfort-mounted rotating shifter, Sport Mode likewise pre-selects gears for dapper corner exits, which should empower the driver to brake hard and jump profound into a corner at speed and exit in a lower outfit, keeping motor RPM in the meat of the power band. Alternatively, drivers can get out their own particular movements through the wheel-mounted move paddles. Game Mode likewise gives more noteworthy motor braking and a somewhat more forceful fumes note. Additionally, indeed, the majority of that depicts a Ford Edge.